Welcome to an exciting exploration of the top 3 Amazon certifications that can boost your career in 2024. In this fast-paced video, we'll be revealing these sought-after certifications while also sharing a valuable resource for your preparation journey. So, let us dive. At number 3, AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate Certification. It's perfect for designing and deploying dynamic, cost-efficient AWS systems. Earn more expertise in AWS service. At number 2, AWS Certified Developer Associate Certification. Developers, this one's for you. This certification recognizes your ability to build and maintain robust applications on AWS. At number 1, Amazon certification to pursue in 2024 is AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. Whether you're new to the cloud or want to demonstrate a comprehensive understanding of AWS. So, there you have it, our top 3 Amazon certifications to consider for a successful cloud career. But now, let us talk about how you can effectively prepare for these certifications. To ensure your success, we highly recommend Pass4Future, a trusted online platform that offers comprehensive and up-to-date practice tests and study materials. Pass4Future provides you with the tools you need to confidently tackle these challenging exams. Thanks for joining us. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insightful videos on AWS certifications. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.